Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, man. I got this beautiful 2004 PT Cruiser, man, and you can see what's going on. Y'all see them fog lights? Both of those fog lights are on. Now the car is off and the headlight switch and fog light switch are off. So what does that tell me? Basically we're getting a false signal from what we call the multifunction switch. But let me show you some exactly what this car is doing. And like I say, the switch is off. So now with the turn signal, let me turn the turn signal down. Y'all see that? The headlights went off. Let me see if I can do them both at the same time. Turn light switch, turn signal switch off. See the head fog lights go off. Or turn signal switch left. The fog lights go off. But with the turn signal switch off, the fog lights go on. Y'all see that? So we're getting totally conflicting signals from this multi-function switch. As I turn it on and off, I'm not even turning the fog light switch on. So what I'm gonna do is replace this fog light switch, or we call it a multi-function switch. Alright, so it's this little gadget right here, man. Really not that bad, not that hard to do. I'm gonna get this thing put on, we're gonna talk about it. I might go over the installation procedure, I'm not sure yet, but let's get this thing on and see what happens. Alright, I'll get back with y'all.